Hey guys, I am currently getting attacked by bombs, so I gotta run away. Oh geez, they just went, I just blew up. Okay, that was very crazy. There's a portal gun. I know we've been like 3 seconds into this video, but who wants to see me have a portal gun? I do. So now, we got a portal gun. I'm gonna shoot it right there. Land on that. Right there. So now, if someone goes like that, they die. Oh jeez. Now I died. Boom. Yeah. Press the button, press the button. Stand on the correct color, reach the top. Okay, red. Wait. I'm doing parkour without the colors. Okay. Green. Where's green? Where's green? No! No! Are you kidding me? I just restarted. Yo. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Green. Color's really hard to find. But I got this. Oh, that guy just fell. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No! I thought I got it! What? This is rigged. Okay, that's ridiculous. Stay on the correct color, reach the top. I'm literally never gonna reach the top. No! Are you kidding me? I literally can't do this. Okay, come on. Got this. Stand on the green. Yes. Let's go. Okay. I did not complete that. Find the button. Button's right here. Never mind. Button's not right there. Make it even harder for people to see me. Now I'm invisible. Oh, the button. Press the button. Oh wait, no, press the button. It's at the middle. Jump over the coming lasers. Oh, I already died. This is a nature sword? You get a nature sword. I got a nature sword. You wanna eat this? Guess what I thought? I know I'm not supposed to attack people, but eat my nature sword. Oh, I'll take that. Die! You will die with my nature sword. Put a portal right there. Put a portal right there. When someone comes to the portal, they die! Yeah, die! Acid is... Oh! I did not expect that to happen. But we just died. Yeah. Deliver the pizza to the correct house. Okay, 19. Oh, 19. Here's your pizza, sir. Me and Bob are winning all of these. Nice job, Bob. Sorry, Bob, but I have to commit murder to you. Everybody, die! You shall die, everybody. Yeah. Don't fall down in the lava. Okay. Oh geez. Okay, find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Bloxy Cola. Oh no. This is not good. Portal. That doesn't help. But I got a portal. Oh geez. I don't have a single Bloxy Cola. I'm dead. This is not good. Ow, I just ran into a cactus. I'm gonna put a portal right here, and since cactuses hurt you, I'm gonna put that rope. That guy just got damaged, and I'm alive, baby. Let's go. I almost just fell off the map. Get on the correct color. Light blue. That person died. I'm gonna make a portal right here. Oh no. Okay. Only one door is correct. We can, guys. I'm a really good guesser. Never mind. I'm a horrible guesser. Let's see if I say I'm a horrible guesser, I get them all right. Never mind. I only get one right. Wait. You don't have to do it. You just have to... Oh, never mind. You don't have to be good at parkour. You just have to... What? Why am I so bad at this? Okay, Carter. Get the right door. Only one left. So let's put this one. Okay. None of us made it. on the button presser. Reach the top. Doop. And I'm just gonna go boop. And I am at the... Is that how it is? Wow, that is sad. Okay, come on. Go in. Go, you got this. Yeah! Let's go! Watch out, Muffin has a sword. Oh, jeez. Guess who else has a sword? I do. Yeah. Take that. I have a sword now. Watch out for me. Yeah! Yeah! Get trapped! Let's go! So I'm gonna walk in that little portal. There's a little portal over there. You get a pretty big surprise. Walk in the portal. Come on, you know you wanna do it. Just walk in the portal. Oh, okay. Press the button. Get ready. Okay. I got an idea. Green pad. Bruh. Whoa. What? Okay. Guys, I'm really bad at this game right now. Reach the mountain top. So easy. Just gotta go like this. Portal. Yeah, let's go. Portal. How am I so bad at this? Look at this. Portal. And then portal. 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 And you just go like this, and you completed the level. I'm gonna put you right there, and then I'm gonna get one at the very end, and I'm gonna troll so many people, and it's gonna be hilarious. Woo! Okay. Please don't land on me. Oh jeez. Come on, you got this, Carter. You got this. No! What? This is ridiculous. Pull one right there, and then I'm gonna pull one right there. Run. Yeah. Let's see this person. Do the parkour. Do it. Fine. Be boring. Okay. Another attempt. Got this. It's gonna go that way. Yes. Let's go. Get ready. Go. And now I'm just gonna go like this. It's called magic. Oh jeez, it's rising. What did I do? I don't know. Okay, come on. You got this, Carter. Go. Oh jeez, I'm so bad at this. Oh, that person just died. That was not very amazing. Okay, all you gotta do, use your portal. Go to that side. Trust your portal. Yeah, I think I did it. Cash the presents. Oh, I got this. Present. Give me. Come here. Yeah. Present. Give me. Come here, presents. I want you. Yeah. That's 3 presents. Really good. Where's present? Oh, that guy got the present. Give me that. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got 5. 6. Yes. 7. Yes, 7. Let's go. 7 points, baby. Beware of my money. Give that money. Guys are making me mad. I don't want to do this to you, buddy. But now I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to commit murder to you. Mine to find the diamond. Okay. Come on, Diamond, come back here. I'm finding you, Diamond. try to find you. Where in the world is this diamond? I really cannot find this. What in the world? Where is this? Guys, if you're watching this video already, spent a lot of Robux on this video, and just to make me happy and make my day, just subscribe. And that would make me very happy. Okay. Reach. Oh, you can't jump. Reach the other side of the bridge. So good at walking on ice. No! 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 I almost got him! Wait. If I just go that, and I just go like this. Yeah, I did it! Let's go! Teleporter, you're amazing! Wait, I have an idea. I'll put this right here, and then I'll put it right there. Now walk on that. What the heck? It's stuck on that guy. Huh. No, I meant to put it. Did someone go over there? That's funny. Get to the top. Go, 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 go. Oh, jeez. Get to the top. Hurry. Oh, what? Get to the top. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Oh, I just ruined this guy's portal that I put on him. Come on. Got this. Die. I commit murder. I'm just kidding. You didn't hear that. Boing, boing. I'll put this here. Teleporter. Go to the finish line. Oh look, it's like a speed run. Okay, let's go. Boom. I used to play speed run. I'm pretty good at speed runs. I'm not even joking. Like, maybe all the other times I was saying I was pretty good at stuff and I was not good at it. Speed runs? Why? When I'm about to say I'm good at something, I die. Okay, well. Then I just got a teleporter. Like, just go right here, walk on that. No, what? Okay. Take cover under the umbrella. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god. Let's die. I'm gonna wake up. Take me under. Oh, I'm pretty sure the teleporter thing was right there. I think I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna end the video. So, this one's gonna be crazy, guys. You aren't ready. Escape the burning building. Oh, jeez. Go, 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 go. I almost went up, but I'm going down. Why is everyone going up? I don't know. You're supposed to go down. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, it's... Wait. Is it even burning? Oh, it's burning. Yep, it's burning. Yep, it is burning. Okay, okay. Go, 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 go. No time to waste. We have no time to waste. Go, 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 go. Oh, coin. Yeah. The exit. Go, 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 go. Yes. I escaped! Let's go! Thank you guys for watching this video, and it's me, Carter, and I'm out. Peace!
Everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now